Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends unknown player error. Now, one of the first things you can do is to check your internet connection. So just ensure your internet connection is stable. Try resetting your modem or router by turning it off for about 10 seconds and then turning it back on. Next up, you can try running the app as an administrator. So just right click on the League of Legends icon and select Run as Administrator. Next, you can also try flushing the DNS cache. So to do this, open command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig /flush DNS. Then press enter. This can help resolve connectivity issues. Next up, you can also close Riot and LOL processes. So open Task Manager and end all Riot and League of Legends processes, then restart the game. And then you can also try checking the server status. So sometimes the issue might be on Riot's end. Try to check the server status on the official League of Legends website or on sites like Down Detector. You can also try changing your DNS settings. So just switch your DNS server to Google's public DNS, which is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 to see if it resolves the issue. Now lastly, maybe it's worth just waiting it out. If the problem persists and none of these steps work, then it might be a temporary issue with Riot servers. Waiting for a few hours or even a day can sometimes resolve the issue. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.